In downtown Providence, upon Smith Hill, sits the Rhode Island Statehouse, home of the governor's office and the Rhode Island General Assembly. The building was designed between 1891 and 1894 by the firm McKim, Mead & White, known for working on projects from New York's Pennsylvania Station, Brooklyn Museum, and even the Narragansett Towers located in the coastal town of Narragansett. Construction began in 1895 and was finished in 1904. The building features the fourth largest self-supporting dome in the world and is made of Georgia white marble and topped with a gold-covered bronze statue known as the Independent Man, which represents freedom and independence. The building is an example of an American Renaissance marvel, and its design resembles that of the U.S. Capitol building. The building was one of the first public buildings to use electricity, and its exterior is illuminated by 109 floodlights and 2 searchlights. The dome is often illuminated in various colors to mark various holidays and special occasions. In 1970, the building was added to the National Registry of Historic Places and remains a vital part of the state of Rhode Island.